This is how I rickrolled the world's greatest scratch tubers. It all started some time ago when I was watching different scratch tubers on YouTube. During that time, a video grabbed my attention. How to rickroll in Scratch by Project Labs. In no time, ideas started racing through my mind, but one idea stood ahead of all others, and it was how I rickroll the world's greatest scratch tubers. So I started immediately. I opened Scratch, created a new project, and in 2 minutes, a project named Minecraft Beta 3.0 was done. Obviously, I had not actually created Minecraft, but an evil trap. After the project was done, I had only one more thing to do. Somehow make the great scratch tubers see this project for themselves. But the big question is, how am I going to make them see this project? Well, I messaged them. Of course, I'm not going to ring their bells and show them the Minecraft Beta 3.0. So one by one, I needed to message them all, starting with auto-started programming. Now let's do the same thing with 7 more YouTubers. Spart on Scratch, done. MacTong, done. And now the guy who indirectly inspired me to create this video, Project Labs, and done. Next up is Riper, Dark Flame, Magician, and now only one remains. The big one, the final one, Jackson Academy. Done. And then what did I do? I just sat down and waited. But I didn't need to wait for years, months, or even days. Just for a few hours. Because the replies of some of the greatest scratch tubers in the whole entire galaxy, universe, and yeah, I think that's it. Because the replies of the world's greatest scratch tubers are finally here. So I had messaged 8 scratch tubers, and right now 5 of them have replied back. So now let's see who got rickrolled. Let's start off with Spart on Scratch. So Spart replied something that I did not understand at all. He said, "Wait, wrong link. You forgot to make it a rickroll by hiding the link and exchanging it for the classic Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley." Spart, if you're watching this video right now, please tell me what you meant by these 2 replies. So I think Spart got rickrolled. Now let's move on to the person who indirectly inspired me to create this video. Project Labs. Project Labs said, I'll check it out. And after checking out the Minecraft Beta 3.0, he said, "Okay buddy, I'm not reviewing any more of your projects." That means that we have also rickrolled Project Labs. Now MacTong. MacTong said, "I'm not clicking it. I know what it is. I'm not falling for it." And then I said, "No, it's actually a scratch project. I spent hours on it." And then he sent me a picture. Project Labs told him that I rickrolled him. So MacTong said the link is the same. And so I said, "You have some good connections with elite secret agents." FBI, open up! But this means that unfortunately we weren't able to rickroll MacTong. Now let's move on to Dark Flame. Dark Flame simply said nothing. He actually sent me an emoji, the laughing emoji. And that also means that he opened the project and he also got rickrolled. That means we have now rickrolled 3 people. Now let's move on to Jackson Academy. The person who has more than 80,000 subscribers actually replied. He said, "No, I checked to see inside. Rickroll." And what does this mean? This means that Jackson Academy is too smart to ever be rickrolled. That means we've officially rickrolled 3 Scratch tubers: Project Labs, Spartan Scratch, and Dark Flame. If I get 20 likes on this video, then I will live stream, and in the live stream I will try to play all of Griffpatch's projects. Thank you for watching. See you next time.